In a country far, far away, a young Jedi awaits his shoebox. But not just one. 2 young Jedis are waiting for a galactic gift filled with God's love. I'm teaming up today with AnnaBeth at Sending Shoeboxes for an epic Star Wars collaboration. She's packing a box too. I don't know the age or gender, so after you finish here, hop in your Star Cruiser and head over to her channel to see what's inside her box. All right, lightsabers ready. Let's open up this box. So my box here is for a boy aged 10 to 14, and I packed this box a few weeks ago before our family went on a family trip out west to see friends and family out in Colorado and New Mexico. So I don't exactly remember everything I put in this box, but I do know that there are some fun Star Wars themed items as well as just space themed items to go along with this box. So let's open it up and see what I packed. I have my 2 larger number 107 rubber bands to hold it closed. And it is a very full box. When you open it up, this is what the child will see. There is a super cool lid design here. Now, one thing about AnnaBeth, she has an amazing Facebook group called Sending Shoeboxes, and she creates some of the most beautiful lid designs. This one here is part of her Star Wars pack. These are all free resources. If you go to her Facebook group and join it, you can search for different themes and different ideas for lid designs. So definitely check out her Facebook group if you haven't. I loved this one here, and it has Psalm 119, 105 on it. I think this is a really nice, colorful lid design for an older boy. And then this child will be getting a couple different activity books here. Pull them out. So this first coloring book here is really cute. It has BB-8 with a little Christmas hat on the cover. This is just a nice older boy coloring book. It has some of the different characters in there, and it's Christmas themed, which is fun. I can't quite remember if I got this at the Dollar General. I think I did, because I put a sticker here to cover up the dollar price tag that they like to put on there. So I'm pretty sure I got this on sale, either half off or 75% off after Christmas. I also found this sticker activity book at the Dollar Tree, and it says resist on there. And these are fun for the older kids. They do come with some really nice stickers. And then the child can put them on the scenes. There's mazes as well. So I think this older boy will have fun coloring this activity book and just using the different stickers. There is also a spiral notebook for school, and I added a sticker on there just to go with the theme. So this will be very helpful for the child as they're going to school. I try to include notebooks in all of my older child boxes. Now the wow gift is right on top inside this organza bag here. I took it out of the box that it came in because the box was a little too large, but I did make a photocopy of the outside of the box so the child could see the different creations that he could make with this. It's a 12-in-1 space building block set, so it makes 12 different designs, including one that includes all of the Legos, and it's like a space shuttle that he can make. So each of these little packs will make a mini vehicle or space themed item, and then all together there's directions in here on how to make the larger item. So I thought this was a pretty cool wow gift. It's not Star Wars specifically, but again, it's space themed, and I found it on Amazon. It was $7.99, and I had some points, so I paid about $5 after my points, and I thought this would just be a great wow gift. I also included some space-themed minifigures that I found at the Dollar Tree. So there's 3 in there as well. So I hope this older boy loves his Lego wow set. I think it's really cool, and he should have fun putting together all the different designs. Another item on top is a hygiene kit. This is a fairly simple one. I put in a white washcloth, some Band-Aids, a blue nail file, a green cross necklace, as well as the toothbrush inside there and some nail clippers. And it has a sticker that says Jesus loves you. I also try to include a good amount of school supplies for the older boys and girls. Here is his school pack. It's in a green pouch. And on the inside, there is a Yoda sticker. There are some scissors, a gray pair of scissors here. He's getting a 12 count of colored pencils, a larger eraser here from Staples, some smaller star erasers. I have 2 sharpeners, a bookmark that says Glory, Hope, and Peace, and then there are about 6 pencils and 3 pens. One of his other wow gifts inside the box, and this kind of started the theme. Last year I found this plush R2-D2 at Walmart. I believe he was only $1 or $2, and I just thought he was really cute, a great size, and a great theme of plush for the older boys. So he does stand up on his own, and I think this older boy will really enjoy this plush here. Another plush item in the box is one that my daughter made, and it's this little crocheted Yoda. I love it so much, and she made several of these, so I'll be donating some of them as filler. But I thought he was super cute to just include. He's not very big, but he goes really well with the theme and should bring some smiles to this older boy. At the Dollar Tree, I found this Yoda activity coloring set here. It says design a vinyl Grogu. It comes with 3 markers, and the child can color in his own Grogu. So I thought that was a fun little activity for an older boy, and then he'll have it to display in his room or wherever he wants to. And the markers can go right back on the inside. Another item I found at the Dollar Tree was this Star Wars Mandalorian tote bag. And I thought that was really cute. He can put all of his items in this bag after the distribution event, carry them all back home, or he can use this for school to carry around his books. So for $1.25, I thought that was a really cute tote bag. This little Jedi here, his name is Kai, and I got him on sale on Amazon in early June. He was $3.07. I used my points to get him for free. Now he's about $6, so I know the price just kind of fluctuates sometimes. But I thought he'd be a great addition to this Star Wars box, and he comes with a lightsaber that he can hold. So I thought this would be a fun action figure to go along with the theme. And I did put him, when I packed him, inside this little bag so his lightsaber doesn't get lost at the bottom of the box. And it's just a nice way to keep it together with the character. Next, I have this Squish Attack Orbit Ball. It kind of looks like a planet, and you can twist it, stretch it, make it into different shapes. So I had gotten this at the Dollar General. It wasn't very much money, maybe $1. It is filled with sand, not liquid, so it is fine to send. And I thought this would be fun for an older boy to throw around and just to play with. It's very tactile. So to go along with the Galactic Star Wars theme, he's getting this orbit ball. I'm giving this older boy a t-shirt here. It's from Walmart. It's the Wonder Nation brand, and it's a size 14-16. It has all the planets of our solar system on it, and it says, "You are here," pointing to Earth. So I thought that was just a nice t-shirt design for an older boy. Hopefully he enjoys wearing it. Another fun item in this shoebox is this R2-D2 shaped puppet. This was also at Walmart on clearance. I believe it was about $1. I think I got this about the same time that I got the stuffed animal there. This is a Star Wars, it's like a banner that unravels, and you can kind of do like a yo-yo with it. I don't know the exact name of it, but it came in a party pack of different Star Wars items. I have 2 smiley face bouncy balls, as well as a lip balm here. It's peppermint flavored. There is also a comb for the child. This is a nice quality wide tooth comb from Amazon. And 2 little frisbees here with Star Wars stickers on them. These also came in a party pack. And at the very bottom, I have a green note card here that says "Jesus loves you" in a variety of languages. It has our picture and a note to the child on the inside. These are very important to include and often one of the most beloved items of the shoebox. So here are all of my items for my Star Wars space-themed box for an older boy. Now I just need to get this all packed back up inside the box. Hopefully I can get it to fit like it was. And we'll be ready to send this older boy box around the world to a special child. Well, that took a couple attempts to get everything back in, but I did manage to fit it all. And we should be able to close this up and use the rubber bands to seal it shut until it's ready to be processed at the processing center. And then they will tape it shut as it goes to its final destination. And that's a wrap on this Jedi's shoebox, packed with love, adventure, and the hope of Jesus. A huge thank you to AnnaBeth at Sending Shoeboxes for collaborating with me on this galactic mission. It's always more fun to pack with friends. Be sure to head over to her channel to see the other Star Wars box in this collab. I can't wait to see what she packed. May the Lord be with each child who receives these boxes, and may God's force be with your packing too. Until next time, happy packing. Bye.